Struggling to log weekly timesheets in Zoho Books without errors? Follow these 10 clicks to enter your hours in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact steps, from opening Zoho Books to saving your weekly log. Just follow along. All right, let's start by opening Zoho Books. You can find it in your app menu and click to launch. Now, click on the plus icon to add a new entry. Then click on Weekly Log. Next, click Add New Row. Then click Select a Project. Pick Funnel Campaign from the list. Now click Select Task. Then select Design Marketing. Type the hours for the day. Finally, click Project Task to complete the entry. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.